Yo, family, welcome to the very first episode of Pair of the Week with the Ruff Trader. Each week, we'll break down a key forex pair to look out for what's about to happen, the proper direction, and also filter a clear entry on this pair. So, guys, stay logged in, stay learning, and let's get into it. So, this week, we'll be looking at Euro AUD. So, Euro AUD is the pair of the week. So, what I do is I go down to the hour time frame to look check for the direction of the market. You know, the trend is your friend. So we need to know what's happening on the hour time frame. So the weekly is bullish. Daily is also bullish because this is the recent higher high here, and this is the recent higher low here. So it's quite bullish. So it's bullish. The only way this can be bearish is if price invalidates this low here. So price is bullish on the weekly time frame and bullish on the daily time frame. So let's go down to the 4 hour. So on a normal day, I would have marked my area of interest on the daily time frame, but I can't see any clear zone here. So let's go down to the 4 hour time frame to see. I'm trying to also the 4 hour time frame is also bullish. So we have shades of higher highs and higher low here. Can you see? So on the daily time, on the 4 hour time frame, this is the recent higher low here. This area here, the recent higher low here, and this is the recent. This is the recent higher low here, and this is the recent higher high here. Sorry about that. On the 4 hour time frame. So what I do, I try as much as possible to use my rectangle to mark out the most recent area of interest here. So we have sell pressure here. Of self-regular, and I have a little price pressure there. So at least we have 3 areas here. So so let's mark it like this. Okay, 1, 2, 3. So that's our area of interest or point of interest, anyone call it. So what I do to back up my analysis is I mark out my psychological key level inside this zone. So my psychological key level will be 1.76000. So I note that as PKL, psychological key level, PKL. Okay, I note that as PKL. And when you pay attention, you see we have something like an inverse head and shoulder pattern here. And you see, which is a bullish pattern. That's the left shoulder. This is the head. This is the right shoulder. Price broke out, retest, and we expect a possible push to the upside. But remember, always wait for your confirmation before you execute an entry. Today is Monday. I don't trade on Mondays. So we're expecting a possible push to the upside on this pair. On Euro AUD, always wait for your confirmation before you execute an entry. So we are bullish on this pair. So Euro AUD is the pair of the week. So let's go to our Forex factory to check if we have any news coming up on this. Okay, today is Monday. We really have any strong peculiar news on ISN USD. So let's see what's happened that days of the week. CHF USD. Okay, we have a news on AUD on Wednesday. That's 3:30 a.m. Mr. Wall Street sleeping then. Okay, we have series of news on Wednesday. Okay, we have news on Euro on Thursday. Yeah, on Friday, we have the NFP news coming up on Friday. So that's that. I'm currently looking for a possible buy on Euro USD this week. Yes. So guys, if you want more of this content, comment the Ruff Trader below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Peace out, family.